Now we're on to the final step of configuring String to work with your ShipStation account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure String so it processes shipments the way you want them processed. For example, if customers can pay for expedited shipping, I'm going to show you how to tell String to only find shipping options that will arrive within the time window you specify. Also, if you have shipments you do not want String to process, I will show you how to set that up as well. And last, I'll show you how to make tweaks to String's configuration so it only processes the shipments and does the things that you want it to do. First, I'm going to show you how to set time and transit windows for String. So for certain requested shipping types, String will only find shipping options that will arrive within the time window you promised to your customers. To do that, we're going to find the Your Shipping Methods card in the ShipStation integration page in String and click Add New Shipping Method. Now that we have this card up, let's go to ShipStation and find where these requested shipping methods are. Now that we're in ShipStation, we're going to navigate to the Orders page. Here, you can click on an order, and after you've clicked on it, you'll be able to view the requested shipping method for that order. String uses the requested shipping method to decide the time and transit cutoff for shipments. For example, this shipment has the all orders method requested. We're going to copy and paste the requested shipping method from ShipStation into String. For every requested shipping method you have that you want mapped to a time and transit cutoff, you must add it to String. If you use a platform like Shopify, you can find all of these requested shipping methods in there as well. Now that we're back in String, we're going to paste in the value from ShipStation. When pasting this value, String is not case sensitive. So if you accidentally capitalize a letter that's not meant to be capitalized, it's okay. You can also indicate if this requested shipping method should be processed by String. For example, if a customer specifically pays for FedEx 2-day shipping at checkout, maybe you don't want String to process that shipment. If you do not want String to process this shipment, just turn the switch off. After you've done that, if String reads this requested shipping method in an order from ShipStation, it will not process that order. If you do want String to process shipments with this requested shipping method, keep the switch turned on. Finally, below that, add how many days you want the time and transit cutoff to be. Keep in mind that these days are business days, not calendar days. So Saturday and Sunday won't count against the time and transit cutoff. After you've finalized all the information in this card, simply click Add to add this requested shipping method to String. Repeat this process for all of the requested shipping methods you have in ShipStation. Again, if you use a platform like Shopify, you can also find these requested shipping methods in your Shopify dashboard. Next, I'm going to show you how to let String know it shouldn't process certain orders if it has a tag that you've predefined. In the Your Tags card on the ShipStation integration page, scroll down to Tag String Should Not Process. Then click Add New Tag. The list of tags shown are all of the tags you have in your ShipStation account. Tags excluded are those already used by String to do other things. To add a tag that you do not want String to process orders for, simply click Add Tag in its respective card. After you've added tags, they will show up in the list under Tags String Should Not Process. Finally, I'm going to walk you through the String configuration details that you're able to set to let String know how you want it to process orders for you. The first feature you can either enable or disable is cartonization. Cartonization is the feature that lets String find the smallest package available for all of the items in an order. If you do not add products and packages to String, this feature will not be available to you. Do not turn it on. If you have added products or packages to String, you can enable this feature and String will start the process of cartonization for your future orders. Alternatively, if you decide not to add products or packages to String, you can use a feature called dimensional inference. Dimensional inference will look at the items you have in an order and do its best to guess what size the package is going to be that you will ship it in. This is important because for orders you have with no dimensions in ShipStation, String will try to infer the dimensions so that you can use dimensional weight for getting rates for shipments. If you want to use rate options like cubic pricing from USPS, you have to have dimensions when requesting rates. Using dimensional inference allows you to do this. However, if you've enabled cartonization, that's because String is already finding the best package size for each order you ship. Dimensional inference will only run on orders in ShipStation where dimensions are not already logged. Next, you can tell String if it should process orders under 1 pound. This exists because if you're using a carrier like USPS, a majority of your shipments may already be shipped using a service like first class mail. In many cases, first class mail is typically the cheapest option. Therefore, if you disable this, String will not process any shipments under 1 pound, and you will not be charged for those shipments. String only charges you for shipments it processes. Finally, if you have a set of custom business rules that you'd like String to take into account when processing shipments, enable the Use Custom Routing Rules feature. After you've enabled this, please contact your String representative to add those custom routing rules for you to String. Custom routing rules are a powerful way to make sure shipments are always processed exactly how you'd like. For example, if you'd like String to override to a service like UPS Second Day Air, if it's only $1 more expensive than the lowest cost option, you can enable this via a custom routing rule. To contact your String rep about adding a custom routing rule, simply click the support button and email us. We'll make sure to add your custom routing rule as soon as possible and get back to you as soon as it's done. Before you're able to turn String on, you'll have to add your billing information. To do that, simply click the button in the status bar that says Select Plan here. This will take you to your billing page. Here, you'll be able to find the plan that best suits you. After you've selected your plan and added your billing information, you'll be able to go back to the ShipStation integration page in the String dashboard and turn String on. The next time String gets a webhook from ShipStation, letting it know that orders are ready to process, String will begin processing them.